Okay, we are about to step back in time to the 1850s. We're here at Sovereign Hill in Ballarat, Australia, and we're going to hopefully go and find some gold.
Ballarat in the 1800s was once one of the richest cities in the world because of the gold rush.
Entrance to Sovereign Hill is $49 per adult, so we just bought our tickets and we were given a map. So something that I didn't realise was that there's actually quite a few activities that run throughout the park. So we're going to try to time it so that we can show you guys some of those, and also make sure that we can do some gold panning, because if you haven't seen any of our previous videos, it's one of my favourite things to do.
That's cool.
Yeah, I think it's called a sluice. Not really sure. I know it's part of gold panning. I'm pretty sure it's called a sluice.
So you know a bit about gold panning. How does this work?
Gold is really heavy. So the idea behind a sluice is that you pour water all over the rocks, and the rocks that aren't gold will travel down with the flow of the water, and the stones or rocks that are will remain in the sluice. And then eventually people will stop the water and check the little divots of the sluice for gold. I honestly thought this was a bit of a scam, but there is gold in our pan and I don't know what to do.
No way.
Like actual gold. You can even see it sitting on top of the black sand there.
Oh wow. Do you want some free gold? There's a little bit in there, but you can have the pan as well. We've found quite a bit. There's little bits in there. So we just took the gold into the little shop here. I asked the guy, apparently a couple of weeks ago, a kid found like a little nugget worth, I think he said like $150 worth. But that kind of thing gets found quite a lot. I'm very impressed. We've only been here about 20 minutes. Not even panning 20 minutes. Sam panned her first time and found a bit of gold.
Found a few pieces.
Found a few pieces, yeah. You want to keep going, right?
I want to you go film the rest of the video and I'll just stay here.
We have to keep going.
No.
It's addictive, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's like a little house thing.
Wow.
I would camp in this.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know about the bed.
Yeah, maybe not the bed.
But yeah, it does look kind of cozy.
Yeah.
When Ballarat blew up because of the gold rush, there were, people from all around the world that came here, including the Chinese. Mm-hmm. They got in on the gold. So I think this is kind of like a little Chinese village. Are you going to try out the bed?
I am.
How comfy is that?
Not. It's wooden.
Yep.
This is, oh my god, uncomfortable. I couldn't sleep on that, I don't think.
And we complain about hotel beds sometimes. It's crazy to think that obviously this has been remade, but the whole town looked like this,
Yeah. This is the Red Hill Mine. It is a 12-minute self-guided tour. 105 steps, 52 down, 53 back. Oh, a 3-meter ladder.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the hell's that?
Leak's all clear. You can carry on. You move along now.
Okay, I just finished that tour. Very cool. You get to see the biggest nugget that was found here, which is the second largest in the world, but at the time it was the first largest. I'm out of breath. That was very cool. Unfortunately, when we started, Sam wanted to get out because it is quite claustrophobic in there. It is actually a real tunnel underground. But yeah, very cool little tour to know the history of what made this place so famous, essentially.
Oh, this has candles involved. I'm going this way. Smell this soap. Got my soap. Got my smooth candle that I now get to dip. I've been given no instructions yet. We have to wait for the school children to go. But I'm going to dip my own candle.
This is right up your alley.
This is so up my alley. And yeah, what the heck? This has been the coolest edition. I cannot express it enough. When Ryan wanted to come here and I did a little bit of research, I was kind of like, it doesn't, no offense, but it doesn't look that cool on the internet. And then you get here and it's just like you've been transported back in time to a whole nother world.
Very much worth the trip.
I would
so
pay
far.
double the entrance price. This is incredible. So you dip it in the wax and then you dip it in the cold water and it sets the wax. This is my rainbow candle. I would love to say it's an original concept, but I copied the children beside me.
So we're here in the bowling alley from the late 1800s. I think the ball is made out of wood, actually, I think. And there are no holes to put your fingers. But I'm going to give it a go.
I got my bag of raspberry drops. We have this thing where we kind of just ask what the most popular thing is and we just get that. So raspberry drops.
And you bet all the school kids in the line. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No thank you.
Upon walking around Sovereign Hill here, I've seen this big tower in the distance. And I finally made it to this tower and it turns out you can go up it. Sam was a little bit scared to walk up it, so I'm doing it alone. Made it to the top. So basically it's just an old lift that I presume that the miners would use at the ground level. It actually goes underground as well, so it was obviously just a way to transport material and gold or whatever they found.
Hello. We're gonna go, well, once Ryan gets down from the tower he decided he wanted to climb, we're going to go and hopefully catch some gold melting. I've just checked the map, it is just down the road, so ready when you are to come down off the giant platform that's incredibly high.
Okay, I had to drag Sam away from panning once again. We went back and panned a little bit more, and now we are going to see a demonstration of how they melt down gold. What is it called?
Gold pour.
A gold pour. I think there's another word for it.
Oh, smelting.
Smelting is the name for it. So we're about to run inside and see this demonstration. I read about this online, I'm looking forward to it.
Gold smelting is an ancient process that transforms raw ore into pure gold by heating the metal to around 1064 degrees Celsius and refining it so impurities are removed, revealing this $400,000 gold bar. That is it for our gold video in Sovereign Hill, Ballarat, Australia. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing us heading around this incredible outdoor museum. Everything from the architecture to the staff that are in full character, even if you interact with them, to the live demonstrations of candy being made, the bowling, we made candles, we watched a gentleman smelt a $400,000 bar of gold. This place is worth its weight in gold. Literally. This is not for profit either, so all of the money from your ticket goes straight back into making this place cooler, throwing in more education for all of the children that come through, and just making it an overall better time for everyone. So that is going to sum up this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.
5 minutes before closing, had to come back once more.
Listen, I'm a bit better. It's not a bit, but it's like...
Are we done for the day now?
Yeah.
We'll come back another time, don't worry.